Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a reliable jack, a sturdy lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a perfectly level surface and is securely supported by jack stands for safety. Next, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts, then raise the car and remove the wheel. Finally, locate and remove the two caliper bolts to access the old brake pads. Once the caliper is accessible, carefully slide out the old brake pads from their housing. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect the brake rotor for any deep grooves, uneven wear, or significant damage. A smooth surface is crucial. Also, check the caliper itself to ensure it moves freely and the piston isn't seized. This inspection helps determine if additional components, like rotors, need replacement for optimal braking performance. Now, it's time to install the new pads. Use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to gently compress the caliper piston back into its bore. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new brake pads, ensuring they are seated correctly within the caliper bracket. Reattach the caliper, making sure to tighten the two caliper bolts securely, often to around 25 foot-pounds, following your vehicle's specifications. With the new pads in place, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor. Finally, take your Camry for a short test drive at low speeds in a safe, open area. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm the brakes are functioning properly, ensuring a safe and effective repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.